Okie doke, I'm back again. Hello, thanks for joining me. I'm back with the large plate again. I just keep doing this to try and confuse you, I think, just to keep you on your toes. I'm swapping backwards and forwards between my large plate and my small plate. This is another technique that I wanted to show you. And in fact, a lot of the demos or examples that I showed you before I even started this were using that technique. Okay, so cross fingers, it all works. I've got a few leaves left. Some of the leaves that I've got have still got some paint on them, so it'd be interesting to see. I haven't had a chance to wash them off yet, so it'd be interesting to see what happens with those. So what I wanted to do is just produce a background first. So we're going to go in and throw some paint on this plate again. Again, no rhyme or reason to any of this. I have nothing in mind that I'm particularly trying to achieve, but we're just trying to put down some colours. Might be a bit too much yellow. We'll see, won't we? We'll see. And I'm just going to roll this out. That's quite a bright yellow. That is quite a bright yellow. I'm actually a fan of super bright colours, it has to be said. But there we go. We don't want to roll that in too much because we'll lose that interesting sort of colour. Now, we could add some textures, but I'm wandering over here because I want to pick up some leaves, and some leaves that we're going to try on the plate this time with this particular technique. And I'm going to go for a big leaf here and a couple of smaller ones perhaps. Don't think that one's got a lot of veins on it, so probably not going to show a lot on that particular leaf. I'm trying not to move them around as I place them down, because obviously that's going to affect the quality of your print if you do keep moving them around. Let's try that one there, shall we? So first step, once we've got it like that, is to go in and do our burnishing. And we are just going to try and pick up again that background around each leaf, right? This next bit is rather delicate. I've seen different ways that people do this. I'm just going to take that off. I was just doing it there to give it a bit of thickness, but okay. So as before, when we lift this up, we've got our leaf shape, and we're going to pick off those leaves that we have there. Actually, it's quite nice, the paint that's been stuck there, to be honest. I'm delicately trying to pick them off. That is a beautiful pattern, that one. As far as I can, without totally removing this paper. You could tape it down at the top actually with some masking tape, and that way you could sort of, as usual, I'm too lazy to do it. I think that's all our leaves. Yeah. Now you can see we've got left with the paint. This is your opportunity to very quickly tidy up if you want to. That was fine. Now we're going to just put that paper back down exactly where we had it. So hopefully it hasn't moved, right? And we're now going to push or burnish or rub, here's my tool, over this. And now when we pick that back up, we've got this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful effect of the background and the leaf with the leaf design, which is absolutely beautiful. And that really is my favorite technique with this. There are other techniques, and I'll probably cover some of those, but a lot of what you could do from here is involving how you organize things on the page. You might be able to overlap the leaves, that sort of thing. So you can do that in several steps. There are other things you can do, but for the purposes I had, I think that was lovely. I actually like the colors in the background, and I absolutely love the detail in the leaf. Now, is this perfect? No, it's not. Could you take a bit more care over it? Yes, undoubtedly. Will you be likely to have better effects? Quite possibly. But I think this is what I'm trying to get across, is just have a go. You may like some things you produce, and you may not. But anyway, thanks for joining me today. Fairly quick one, I think. And join me again soon. Bye for now.